stayed up on Tinder until 3 a.m. again, hoping for the love of my life. I gotta get to a car meet. To the car event. It's called Cars and Coconuts, I think. It's my first car event, so see what's up. Yeah, I'll be there in about 15 minutes. I'm a little bit late, but it wouldn't be me if it wasn't, or if I wasn't late to something, because yeah, I'm always late to everything, so unfortunately. But yeah, I'm gonna film. I'm gonna give you guys some content. So I'll be back there. I'll cut it to when we are there.
Get that money, get that Ronaldinho, watch it bubbling up. Gotta make that Maserati with the Fortunatos, run them up. Moving numbers, run them up. Number one, no runner up. Watch it when you talking up. You always ready for whatever, and we call it the bluff. I guarantee you won't get the tough. I want it all. Wasn't gonna get enough. I turn it up. Get that, gotta get the people, make that one double up. Get that Ronaldinho, watch it bubbling up. Gotta let that Maserati with the Fortunatos, run them up. Numbers, run them up. Number one, no runner up. Get that, gotta get the people, make that one double up. Get that money, get that Ronaldinho, watch it bubble up. Gotta let that Maserati with the Fortunatos, run them up. Numbers, run them up. Number one, no runner up.
BRZ there. There was one, which I thought there would probably be at least one other more, like FRS 86 here, so I don't know if any of this resonates with anybody, but it resonates with me, so that's what matters, I guess. But I have great vision for this channel.